Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to do another redesign review on Dolicious on the London Dough Company. And we did a redesign of their product page for this cinnamon churro product. They got some good elements on here, but there's a lot they can do to really maximize the conversions and get more purchases from their site, as well as even bundle options. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you what we did to really increase these conversions. Always build your product pages in Replo. Replo is such a game changer when it comes to your Shopify stores. It really is. I've been building on Replo for the past year now, and we've seen massive success by building on Replo as opposed to just building out on liquid code on the Shopify theme as is. So getting into it right now. Here's the PDP for their cinnamon churro. Right off the bat, if you offer free shipping, it's free US shipping on all orders. Put that all the way at the top of your page, above your nav bar, above your header. So we added that shipping benefit right at the top. Then we got the standard menu bar right here, simple logo, menu, product flavor here, product title there, and we got the reviews here. This is the product review count. Normally on your Replo page or Shopify page, when users click this, it'll take them to the review widget, whether you have your reviews on Luke's or Judge.me. Next, we have peak style images. I love doing peak style images because when people are on their phone, they can already see there's other images here. They're going to swipe anyway. People are naturally going to swipe, so you don't really need to use thumbnails anymore. You don't need to have it here or even on the side. Just show a little peek of the next image. Users will get the idea. Users are intuitive enough to see, okay, there's another image. Let me just swipe, get to the next image. Then we got the product description here. We got gluten-free. I think this is vegan or vegetarian. Down here, we got bundles. We added a bundle here because it's really important to bundle wherever you can to increase that average order value, that AOV. Bundles are a fantastic and no-brainer solution to increase AOV on your store. So we added a bundle here, plus subscription options and one-time purchase. Also showing off the savings that people are going to get. Put that front and center that, hey, if you bundle this up, if you subscribe every 30 days, it's going to save you a lot of money, short-term and long-term. And then we had the CTA here, nice and big, add to cart, almost the full width of the mobile view. Then we got the payment options here. Below the bundle and the subscription options, we got the CTA nice and big, almost the full width of the mobile view, which is 16 pixel padding on the sides. It's important to have your CTAs very big so users can just easily click on their phone, just make that purchase, add it to cart very easily. Just make it a no-brainer for them and make it as intuitive as possible. Then below that, we got the free shipping benefit as well. Plus, we got payment options here to show people they can purchase many ways. Amex, Apple Pay, Discover, Google, you name it, that's all there. So yeah, this is a quick review of the redesign we did. If you guys enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Comment below with any questions you have. Have a great day, guys. Cheers.